Hey guys, this is Shane from Tier 1 Precision again. I just got a package in the mail with all the stuff that I'm going to be putting on the Remington 870 tactical shotgun, and I'm just going to go through and show you guys what I got and what's inside each one. First thing I'll show you is the Trijicon red dot sight. We'll unbox that first, which is probably the thing that I like the most out of all the things that we got. It's the adjustable LED sight, red dot sight. And it comes in the package. The packaging is really nice, actually. Foam inserts on top and bottom. And then take that out, and this is what comes included. You get the nice Trijicon sticker, your warranty card, the second battery that goes in the bottom of the red dot sight, your screws and Allen wrenches, and then the product summary and operator's manual. And that's it. That's what comes with the red dot sight from Trijicon. And I'll do another portion of that to show the install onto the shotgun. Alright. And then the second thing we got, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this on the shotgun or not, is the SureFire M600 Ultra Scout Light. You basically can see what's in it. I'm not going to take this out. Comes with the light, a pressure switch, and it comes with a tail cap that you can switch out if you just want to push it, and it comes with the rail adapter for the Picatinny rail. And also the other thing I got for that is another pressure switch that has a push button on it, to make it a little bit easier to use. I'm going to play around with that and see if I like it. And then the fourth thing is just the rail adapter for the RMR red dot sight from Trijicon. And that's what we got today in the mail. And I'll put the other video up of the installation and how to do all that, and we're going to take it out to the range this weekend and see how it goes. Thank you.